This tutorial is about to create first app in Android Studio. Click on Android Studio icon, and here you can open any recent Android Studio project from list. You can see it. If you want to create new project, click on new project, and click on empty views activity. Next, rename the default name according to your project name. If you want to change language to Kotlin, you can change it. We select Java and change it to build.gradle. You can see it. This is the first look of Android Studio, and you can change, modify according to your project. And this is XML file, and this one is main Java file.